everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to explain about Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam Recruitment 2022-2023 notification. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and be a part of our YouTube family. Let's see the overview of the notification. The organization which has provided this notification is Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam and the post name is Trade Apprentice. There are 275 posts in this notification and let's see the important dates. The application has been already started. If you are applying in online, the last date for registration is 2nd January 2023 and if you are applying in offline, the last date is 9th January 2023. The mode of application is both online and offline. If you want to check the official website is joinindiannavy.government.in. Let's see the important dates for this notification. As I said, last date to apply online is 2nd January 2023 and last date to apply offline is 9th January 2023. Written exam for all trades at DAS is 28th February 2023. You can see the dates here or in official notification. Let's get into the vacancies. There are 36 vacancies for the electronics mechanic and 33 vacancies for the fitter, 33 vacancies for the sheet metal worker and 27 vacancies for the carpenter, 23 vacancies for the mechanic, 23 vacancies for the pipe fitter and 21 vacancies for the electrician, 15 vacancies for the R&AC mechanic and 15 vacancies for the welder, 12 vacancies for machinist and 12 vacancies for the painter, 10 vacancies for the instrument mechanic, 10 vacancies for mechanic machine tool maintenance and there are 5 vacancies for the foundry man. Total there are 275 vacancies in this notification. Let's see the qualification for this notification. The candidate must hold the SSC or Matric or 10th standard with 55% aggregate marks. The candidate who possesses the ITI with 65 aggregate marks is eligible to apply. Let's see the age limit. The candidate who born on before 2nd May 2009 shall be eligible for applying apprenticeship training batch 2023-2024. For age relaxation, kindly refer to the official notification. And let's see the stipend for this. Stipend will be based on the Gaol Gazette notification number 561 dated 25th September 2019. Let's see the selection process. Firstly, candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of marks secured in 10th and ITI. Shortlisted candidates will be called for a written examination. Those who qualifies the written exam will be called for the interview and medical exam. If you want to download the official notification for this, link has been provided in the description. You can get it there. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.